Hello, this is Lockpicking Nerd, and the lock I have for you today is this Euro cylinder. It has a brand name Escur, and I believe it's a Spanish lock. It's a pin tumbler lock with this nice keyway, relatively paracentric, and we can count 1, 2, 3, 5 pins here. I don't know if there are any security pins or not. I'll try to pick this lock open, and if I succeed, I will gut this thing and we'll see what's inside. I have a key for this lock. It's an original key with the name Escur on it, and you can see the beating. The beating is not exceptional, but it's not bad either. The key works, and it works flawlessly without any trouble. Let's try to pick this lock open and see how difficult will it be. Pin 1 is binding, click out of 1. Click out of 4. Click out of 5. And we got this lock open. Let's relock it and see one more time that the key still works. It works flawlessly as in the beginning. Okay, let's gut this lock and see what's inside. Let me get the tools. First we need to get rid of this circlip. So you can see all the drivers are something like very rusted spools. The springs are all standard and the key pins are all standard too. So this is a Escur Euro cylinder. You can see the spools. These are like very rusty spools, and the key pins all standard. I will put an image overlay of these pins right here. I think I will repin and reassemble this lock and make a challenge lock out of it. And I'll be ready to send this challenge lock to someone who wants a challenge lock. So if you want one, feel free to mention it in comments. That's all I have for you today. If you like this video, please tap like, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to put it in comments. Stay safe, have a great evening, and see you in the next video.